Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will discuss about computer network and this is our 13th lecture of this chapter. So without wasting any time, let's start. So Wi-Fi, as you can see, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. This is the full form of Wi-Fi. It is the most commonly used and least expensive wireless access service. It means Wi-Fi is least expensive. It is not so costly and it is also a commonly used. As you know, we can use Wi-Fi in our laptop, in our mobile phones, in our tablet also. So Wi-Fi uses radio waves to broadcast an internet signal from a wireless router to the immediate surrounding. The wireless network is not can jump on. As we know, Wi-Fi is an example of wireless network. So it works on the radio waves technology. So radio wave technology is used in Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi is commonly used in public places to create hot spot. So as we know, if we have an internet connection in a mobile phone and we want to access the same internet in the other network with the help of Wi-Fi networks. So firstly we have to switch on the hotspot from the sender device and so that we can access the Wi-Fi on the receiver's device. So there are two devices. First one is sender, second one is receiver. Receiver use the Wi-Fi technology to connect the internet with the other device and other device simply switch on their hotspot so that the receiver can easily connect with the sender. So this is Wi-Fi device which we generally use in our mobile phones. So these are some network topologies of Wi-Fi. Point to multi-point. It means we can connect a Wi-Fi to multiple devices. Second one is point to point. It means if we connect only one device with a Wi-Fi, this is a point to point. And multiple point to multiple point. It means in multiple point to multiple point we can connect several devices in or with many devices. So Wi-Fi Direct and its features. It connects devices directly with or without a Wi-Fi network or hotspot available. Makes the connection to open a world of application. This is including content sharing, sync painting, gaming and more. So with the help of Wi-Fi Direct, you can connect and open a world of applications. So there are some applications which we can use or we can connect with the help of Wi-Fi Direct. These are content sharing. You can share your content from one device to another. Sync painting. Sync means synchronization. Gaming and many more things which you can connect with the help of Wi-Fi Direct. Connects with Wi-Fi certified devices. So as we know, if you want to connect a Wi-Fi network, you need a Wi-Fi certified device to connect a Wi-Fi network. Designed for portable and stationary devices. Portables means Portables means the device which you can carry from one place to another, like your laptop, mobile phone, your tablet, etc. Next one is Bluetooth. It is also a wireless technology. Wireless Personal Area Network, or WPAN. So Bluetooth is also considered as WPAN. Digital goals of Bluetooth cable replacement. As you know, Bluetooth is a replacement of cable. As in today's, we can use a keyboard, a mouse, and many other devices with the help of a Bluetooth. As we have wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, they use Bluetooth connection to contact with our devices. Low cost. So cost is low. We don't need any internet or any other charges to share our data with the help of Bluetooth. Low power. Power is also low. If we want to send a big file, so it will take a lot of time. Small size. As I said, we can share the small sizes images with the help of a Bluetooth easily, and used for mobile devices and tablets. Next one is cloud computing. It is a very interesting topic. Cloud computing provides access to a network like environment with various applications and virtually unlimited resources, so that field representatives can utilize website resource rather than being supplied with company software and data. Now, what is the meaning of cloud computing? As you can see in this image, there are a smartphone, a laptop, a network, a tablet computer, a database, a mobile, a server. Many different devices are connected to a cloud computing. So cloud computing is basically a place on which you can store your data, so it will not take any memory in your cell phone. As I will give you some examples of cloud computing. As we have Google Drive, OneDrive, and many more cloud computing technologies. So as we know, we can easily store our videos, photos, or any other data on Google Drive or OneDrive with the help of internet. So if you store your data in Google Drive, so you can easily access your data in your mobile phone, your tablet, your laptop, your computer, or in any other device also. So if you are working on your friend's phone, so you can also access your data on your friend phone also with the help of Google Drive or OneDrive. So it is an example of cloud computing. As you can see, some features of cloud computing. It is low in cost. You don't need to buy a memory device. You just need an internet connection. Productivity. So security, data loss prevention. So data loss prevention, security, and productivity. So if you store your data on a cloud computer, so there are less chance that you will lose your data. Your data will be secure on the cloud computing. You can access your data also after a long time. So it is safe, it is secure, and data loss prevention. Flexibility, it is very easy to use. You can easily store or upload your data on a cloud computer, or whenever you want you can easily download the same data with the help of internet in your device. Collaboration, so many companies use cloud computing for their offices so that they can store their employees data in a cloud computer. Software update and mobility, as I said, you can easily access the same file in your mobile phone, in your tablet, in your laptop, or in your PC, or in your friend's PC, or if you are working in your office or you are working in your home, so you can easily access those files with the help of cloud computing. So these are some useful features of cloud computing. So I hope it's clear now. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.